Hey everybody, it's Neil, and winter's about over here, and I have these. Where'd my dog go? Penny, come! These are little comforting, like little mittens for your faucets. So what you do is you unscrew. Oh man, I got that screwed on tight. Oh, I probably have to release it. I got too much water in there. There we go. Okay. Now I can unscrew it. And the way it works is you just put this over your faucet. For me, it's pretty easy. I just cinch it up and I'm good to go. And now it'll keep it nice and warm for the winter. So that's pretty cool. So that's what you need to do with your faucets so they don't freeze. Because it does get to be freezing sometimes and you do not want a broken faucet. So thumbs up, very cool.